Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most high scoring portion also, as it requires only your basic mathematical and numerical skills, like from mathematical skills from class 6 to class 10. So uh, if your concepts are clear, then you can easily get a good marks in this portion. Okay, so people are used to get enough score to increase their total marks uh, in this portion. So it is very much important to understand each and everything in quants, because the questions are pretty much easy. If your concepts are clear, then you can easily solve them. So let's start with the first question. If the cost price of 10 articles is equal to the sales price of the 16 articles, then the gain or loss percentage we need to find. Suppose the cost price of one article is X rupees, and the sales price of one article is Y rupees. Okay, now by the question, 10x is equals to 16y, or we can write x is equals to 16y divided by 10. Therefore 8y by 5. Okay, now suppose we have a gain. We assume that there is no such evidence, but we assume for our convenience we have a gain. Therefore gain is equals to selling price minus cost price. Now the selling price for one article is Y and the cost price is X. Now the gain percentage is Y minus X over the cost price X into 100. Now we already have the value of X in terms of Y. So we have Y minus 8y by 5 divided by 8y by 5 into 100. So this results in minus 3 by 5 into 5 by 8y into 100. So the gain percentage is 25 into 3 by 2, that means 75 by 2, which results in 37 and a half. But we have a negative sign here, that means negative gain, that means loss. So we have a loss of 37.5%. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Now let's jump to the next question. If the difference between simple interest and compound interest on a certain sum of money for 3 years at 10% per annum is 31 rupees, we need to find the sum. Okay, so let the simple interest is P into R into T divided by 100, where P is the principal amount, R is the rate, and T is 3 year, and R is equals to 10%. Okay, or R is equals to 10. And the compound interest for 3 year is PR divided by 100 plus P plus PR divided by 100 into R divided by 100 plus P plus PR divided by 100. This is the principal amount, plus P plus PR divided by 100 into R divided by 100 multiplied by R divided by 100. So this reduces to PR divided by 100 plus P into 1 plus R divided by 100 into R divided by 100. Here we get P plus PR divided by 100 multiplied by 1 plus R divided by 100 into R divided by 100. So we can write PR divided by 100, PR divided by 100 into 1 plus R divided by 100 plus P into 1 plus R divided by 100 square into R divided by 100. So if you take PR by 100 as common, we get 1 plus 1 plus R divided by 100 plus 1 plus R divided by 100 whole square. Or PR divided by 100, 2 plus R divided by 100 plus 1 plus 2R divided by 100 plus R square divided by 100 square. So we have PR divided by 100 into 3 plus 3R divided by 100 plus R square divided by 100 square. So the difference between compound interest and simple interest, as we know that the compound interest is always greater than simple interest, we get PR divided by 100 multiplied by 3 plus 3R divided by 100 plus R square divided by 100 square minus simple interest, which is PR 3PR divided by 100. So if we take PR divided by 100 as common, we get 3 plus 3R divided by 100 plus R square divided by 100 square minus 3. So here 3 cancels out. We get 3 PR square divided by 100 square plus PR cube divided by 100 cube, and by the question this is nothing but equals to 51. Sorry, it is equals to 31. Okay, so 31 is equals to 100 cube. Here we get 300 PR squared. Here we get PR cube, and this is equals to 31 0 0 0 0 0 0 is equals to, if we take PR square as common, we get 300 plus R. Now we do not know the value of P, but we know the value of R, which is 10. Therefore here we get 100 plus 10, 100 P 310. Therefore we get 310 into 100, therefore 31,000 into P. Hence the value of P is 31123 divided by 31,000, and this is nothing but results in 1000. So the value of P is 1000. Hence option C is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved 2 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in these 2 numbers, 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.startofsclasses.com. Thank you very much.